Hello out there, fellow YouTubers. Just wanted to show you what I had to do to possibly fix a misfire on one of my cylinders for my 2007 Ford F-150 with the 5.4. Give you a little background. Started off completed a whole timing chain kit, whole rebuild, did the higher pressure Mellings oil pump on there, did electric fans, put those on there, did all this work, and then it stopped running right. After I got it all back together, there was a miss going on. So naturally I had new coil packs, new spark plugs, the whole 9 yards. Still had the misfire. I changed all the fuel injectors, did all that stuff, still had the misfire. I'm not going to bore you with that anymore. So, got Forscan, and then for about 50 bucks, went on Amazon, and you need this little guy. It's the OBD Lynx EX. It says Forscan. I don't know if that's true, but it works. Anyways, Forscan, I spent the $10, give those guys a shout out. They made a pretty good program. So anyways, go in there to Forscan, and I'll show you, I pinpointed exactly what cylinder was misfiring. You go in here to your tests, and this is the running test with the key on. The results said down here, cylinder 1. Okay, boom. 303 counts. This is just running it idle here, trying to figure out what's going on. But I could tell it's only cylinder 1. So naturally I test the ohms of the coil pack that tested out perfectly. Then I did a voltage meter on the fuel injector itself and the line coming in for the coil pack. Had power, no problem. The plug looked good, everything. So finally I'm like, let me pull out the spark plug. I'm going to test the ohms on that. I didn't start with the spark plugs because these were less than a year old. They're E3s. They're the E3.70. And what I found out is the electrode broke. And I knew that because when you turn it upside down, look at that. It's coming in contact. That's not going to make a spark. So, went to ORiley's, and shout out to ORiley's because they have everything in stock all the time, every time I go there. Got a new E3, 10 bucks. So I'm going to throw this in there now, and going to see if this solves all my problems and frustration. Be right back. So now a new spark plug is in. I'm going to go ahead and go through the vehicle test. We're going to do the OBD2 Mode 6 test results for specific monitored systems. I'm going to go ahead and run service procedure and see if we're counting any misfires on cylinder 1. Look at that. No misfires there. You got some kind of, this is from the old run. You see now we're not tracking any misfires on here. Now I do want to give a shout out to YouTube channel. His name is Fordtechmakuloco, I believe. I will put a link in the description. Go check out his channel. He's got probably all the information you would ever need on fixing any Ford vehicles, and very detailed when he gives directions. So go check him out, and I'm going to go get this little test drive and see if we're good. Alright y'all, thanks for listening, and drop me a comment if you have any questions. Be happy to help you.